Hello, Megan from Gressenhall Farm and Workhouse here. On today's Make It Monday, we'll be making pinecone bird feeders. There are all sorts of birds at Gressenhall. Here are some blue tits nesting in one of our boxes. We even have birds in the collections. Look at these beautiful bullfinches on a toffee tin. To make a pinecone feeder, you will need some lard, seeds, plastic bags, string, a knife, scissors and a pinecone. Step 1. Cut a length of string. Step 2. Wrap the string around the pinecone. Tie the ends and then trim them neatly. Step 3. Cut the lard into small chunks. Put the lard into a plastic bag and add your pinecone. Smush the lard into all the gaps in the cone and then carefully remove. Step 5. Now put seed into another bag. Step 6. Add your lardy pinecone to the bag and then give it all a good shake. And there we have it. A beautiful pinecone feeder for the birds to enjoy. Share your pinecone feeders with us and remember to tune in next week for another Make It Monday.